TMC, the world leader in high-performance vibration isolation systems, features this wine glass demo at many international trade shows. It demonstrates how effectively our passive vibration isolation tables isolate low-frequency floor vibration. We place our clean bench lab table with gimbal piston isolators on a deck, which in turn is driven by a mechanical shaker which inputs high amplitude vibration to the table. By placing one glass of wine on a non-isolated shelf and another on the isolated tabletop, we demonstrate just how dramatically our products attenuate vibration from the floor.